It's recording.
All right, how you doing there, YouTube friends and subscribers? Obviously, you can see I'm not on my property. I'm at an undisclosed location of my new friend's property, and they're going totally off grid like I am. And I'm spending some time out here trying to help them best I can in whatever way that I can. And as you can see, there's been a lot of work going on here so far. There's a septic system down further. There's the solar site area is going to be right over here. And in a minute, we're going to take it for a walk around, and I'm going to let the gentleman that owns the place describe what's going on. So I'll be right back in a minute. Okay, we'll go.
Okay, so 18 acres. Gonna put the RV over here where the little Kubota tractor is. We got a drop here for the septic, which runs all the way down here to the woods, because we had to put the septic right in the woods. I'll show you in a minute. More to come. So here is the dump for the RV. Putting the spout in here, and we're going to put the electric 50 amp 220 volt right here and run all of it in the same line. Haven't put the electric conduit down yet. Going to do that later today. And run the water also PEX, 3/4 PEX into the same line and drop it off right here. And the mech room is going to go right here. I already started stubbing it out for the solar panels. This line runs all the way out to there where the solar panels are going to go.
So did you dig this, Mike?
All right, so there's where the solar panels are going. Out here, there's a drop for that. Drop goes all the way over here to where the mechanical room is going.
Now, Mike, didn't you say you're thinking of about what, 16 kilowatts?
Yeah,
Solar?
yeah, 16. Hopefully that'll do it.
Yep, that should do it.
Yep. And this trench here from the mech room will have hopefully the well right to the left of it. So we'll have the well there too, and we can run water through this trench. I'm putting the water lines in today, all the way out to the RV trench, and also all the way out down here, take use of this trench and run it around to the shed home. It's going to go right here. So the shed house is going here, 14 by 44. Front will be here, and it's going to sit off the back end of this drop here and be blocked up in the back. And here's the tie-in for the septic for that. We'll run the water through that same line in PEX. And both of these lines converge on the septic, the infamous septic. And all down in the woods here, there's 250 feet of line down there, leach line. So got a lot of the trees, but it's there, it's ready. Yep.
Okay, so up here, this area here, this is where your motorhome is going to be. And if you go down the end of this road down there, tucked away in the trees, that's what, 40 footer?
40 foot.
40 foot
Yep.
motorhome with 4 slides.
Yep.
So that's going to be coming up here. And he's got a beautiful layout here. And then there's going to be, I think, 16 kW of solar out here on the ground mount, which he's still deciding how he's going to do it. Trying to make a decision on the batteries. Lithium's the way to go, but it's awful expensive, so we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. But this is one beautiful property. I love this property better than I like mine, just because it's so far away
Thank you,
from
man.
everybody. Very nice. All right, well, I get a big thumbs up from me.